Mark Lessons back with another guitar lesson. This time we're going to be working on Justin Bieber's Peaches. So we're going to be jumping right into it. Guys, this is a 4-chord song. The chords are going to seem a little bit more difficult than what you're used to, but they're actually pretty easier to play than normal chords on the guitar. So don't be intimidated by the sound of them. So before we get started, if you learned something today, please smash and strum that like button. It really helps me out a ton. And if you want to see more videos like this, subscribe to the channel. So let's jump right into it. All right, so first chord we're going to be using, remember, 4 chords. Bar chords are actually going to be harder on this song, so let's learn these open chords and let's jump into the song. So first chord we're using is an F major 7 chord. So we're going to start on the 3rd string down. It's going to be on 3, and then the 4th string is going to be on 2, the 5th string is going to be on 1, and we're going to get that open E string on 0. So it's going to sound like that. It's an F major 7 chord. All right, this next chord is an E minor 7 chord. I'm going to show you 2 ways. There's a really simple way to play it, which is just putting your middle finger on the 2nd string, 2nd fret. Then you can strum all of the strings from there. But I don't really like that voicing of it. We're going to play a different chord, or at least I'm going to play a different chord. So we're going to make a normal E minor chord, which is 0 on the top, 2 on the 2nd string, and 2 on the 3rd string. And then we're going to add our pinky to the 5th string, 3rd fret. So from the top down, it's going to sound like this. So it does just a little bit of a better voicing for this song. I just think it sounds better, but whatever chord you want to play and what you think sounds good, go ahead and play with that, okay? So that's an E minor 7 chord. All right, next chord we are going to be using is going to be a D minor 7. So we're going to start on that 3rd string down again, which is the A string. That's going to be open, and then we're going to be on the 2nd fret, on the 4th string down, and then the last 2 are on the 1st fret, on the 5th and the 6th string down. So that chord sounds like, or those notes sound like this. That's a D minor 7. Last chord we're going to be using is a C major 7. So if you already know how to make an open C chord, it's the exact same, except we're just going to take our pointer finger off and play all of the strings down except that top one. So we're starting on the 2nd string down, 2nd string 3rd fret, and then 3rd string 2nd fret, and the rest are all going to be open. All right, so strumming. That's a C minor 7 chord. So the rhythm that we're going to be using is just straight downstrokes for 4 beats. So it just goes 1, 2, 3, 4, and then you're going to switch to the next chord. So starting on that F minor 7, or major 7, sorry. So it's just 1, 2, 3, 4. So that's a really, really simple rhythm. You can play it throughout the entire song. If you guys want to go a little bit from there, I'm going to teach you a different way, a different rhythm to play, just so it kind of mixes it up. You can switch back and forth from the strumming and then doing the little rhythm that I'm about to show you. So that rhythm goes like this. All right, so let's just mute it, and then we're gonna go into 1, 2, 1, 2. All right, so let's just strum on that F minor 7 chord. All right, so we're gonna slow it down. So it's 1, 2. All right, 1, 2, 3. All right, so that's very easy. Now we're gonna combine those 2 rhythms that I just showed you with the chords too. So those chords are gonna be flowing. It's gonna be F minor 7 to an F major 7 to an E minor 7, and to that D minor 7, and then the C major 7. All right, so 1, Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4. Let's do downstrokes. 3, 4, 2, 3, 4, 2, 3, 4, 2. One more time. 2, 3, 4, 2, 3, 4, 2, 3, 4. And we're gonna try the second rhythm that I showed you. Okay, so that again sounds like this. Okay, so ready? 1, 2, 3, 4. One more time. All right, and you guys, you've learned the entire song Peaches by Justin Bieber. So practice that. It's a great song to start out learning by because it's just the 4 chords. Play it throughout the entire song. You can switch up those rhythms back and forth to whatever you feel comfortable with, whatever you think sounds good. So practice that song and let me know in the comments what song you would like to hear next. Subscribe for more. And guys, thank you again for checking out Mark Lessons.